Hello everyone, Karsty5 here, and today I'm going to be assembling a computer. Now, why would I build another one, you may ask? Well, I have a family member who just is kind of fed up with buying laptops that just don't last very long and aren't really good for his uses, so I decided to build him a new one. Now, let's go over the parts real quick. As you can see right here, we have a Core i7 8700. It's not overclockable, but it should be great for his needs. It'll be a great Facebook machine, as they say. Over here we have 8 gigs of Ballistic Sport RAM, which should be fine. It fits in with the black and white aesthetic. You have an MSI Z370M Gaming Pro AC. Sorry about that, that's my anti-static wrist strap bumping into a tripod. Let's just take that off right now. We're not building it, right? Anyway, so there we go, there's that. And I know it's gaming, and of course my family member will not be gaming. However, I just wanted to set him up with something that would last for a long time and is a pretty good product, so that's why I went with that. Next up, we have the EVGA Supernova 550G3. Now, it's 80 plus gold, so it's pretty efficient, and it should last him for a long time. I'm not super worried about it. I think there's even a 5-year warranty, which I can't tell right now. I know, it's bad. No idea. We'll figure that out soon. And last but not least, if I can get it into frame here. There we go. The Corsair Air 240. I'm just gonna set it on top of it, hopefully it won't do anything. And I just chose this case for him just because it's small, it's compact, but it also looks really nice and should be a perfect fit for the components we have. If you noticed, something is missing. That is a hard drive. Now, his hard drive is still in the mail, and hopefully it should be here soon. But as of right now, I actually have my own personal SSD in there that I will just be installing Windows on and using it to test. All right, let's just get right into it. There we go, drew some blood. That's great. So, I mean, that looks pretty good. And I actually am done at this point. Now the only thing left to do is to boot it up. This took a lot less time than my previous one. But yeah, it's gonna be exciting. I'm just gonna quick tidy up the cables a little bit. Voila! Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, of course. And yeah, just have a great rest of your day, week, month, year. Bye.